Local avocational archaeologist Jim Paquette is well known in the Upper Peninsula. Over the last 40 years, he and others have discovered numerous archaeological sites in the region. In 1987, he and John Gorto discovered a site within the drained reservoir bed of the Deer Lake Basin near Ishpeming, dating to 10,000 years ago. In 1996, Jim uncovered a site from the proto-historic period when local indigenous peoples were making their first contacts with early French explorers and traders. Known as Goose Lake Outlet No. 3 site, or simply as GLO 3, the site contained the buried remains of a dwelling structure and a nearby outdoor cooking and hide processing area. It is probably an Anishinaabe family's inland winter hunting/campsite. Among the European-derived trade and gift items were 55 multicolored glass trade beads, which helped date the site to circa 1630s. Here's a quote from Jim Paquette himself. "What I've learned is that you can develop a spiritual connection to the people that once lived there so long ago. The only way they can communicate with us today is through archaeology, essentially. We'll never know their names, but by doing it right, by recovering, preserving, and learning from these human-made artifacts, we'll get to know who they were as they talk to us about their past lives." To learn more about the archaeology Jim found at Silver Lake and archaeology in general, join the Marquette Regional History Center at our 12th annual Archaeology Fair this Saturday, October 19th. Come anytime between 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. from multiple booths featuring various regional and global displays and activities.